Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger is your ultimate power solution, ensuring you stay connected, no matter where you are. This powerhouse boasts a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, letting you charge an iPhone 6 over 6 times, perfect for long trips or busy days. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, intelligently identifying your device to deliver the fastest possible charge. No more slow charging. Your gadgets get the optimal power they need quickly and safely, making it a truly smart electronics upgrade. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can power up 2 devices simultaneously, sharing with a friend or charging your phone and tablet at once. Unlike generic chargers, the PowerCore 20,000 combines colossal capacity with cutting-edge intelligence, ensuring reliability when you need it most. If you're looking for the best portable power bank for travel or daily use, check out the link in the description to grab yours on Amazon. It's an absolute game changer for anyone constantly on the go, providing peace of mind knowing you'll never run out of battery again. This is genuinely one of the top electronics essentials you can invest in for 2025. I highly recommend the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh. It's the smart choice for portable power, and you won't regret this essential tech purchase.